La 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 la. Oh, hi, Pumpkin. Hi, Melon. But there's some bad news. What is it? Well, I heard on the weather news that there's a flood coming. What? Yeah, it's actually coming. Well, what do we do? Probably we just need to go type in the house. Okay. I'll see you when the flood happens. Okay. Bye. Bye. La 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 la. Dude, it's flooding. Oh my god. Okay. Okay. Let's get up atop the house. Okay. Gotcha, bro. Okay, we're up top, but the water still has not risen yet. Wait, it's not raining. Oh my god, it's raining. Oh, it's filling up the flood. Oh my god. Oh my god. At least this is safe. Oh my gosh. Oh my god. Come on. Ow! Wait, save me! Bro! Ah! What the? No, bro! Oh my gosh. I don't know what's going on. Oh my god. I think I see someone drowning. Part 2 is coming soon because of this cringe ad.